Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside the game. Open Pubg Mobile and go straight to Settings, tap Account or Basic Info. You need the phone currently linked because Pubg often sends a verification code. Once you're in Account, look for Binding or Linked Devices and select Phone. This initial step is necessary because unbinding requires confirmation, otherwise the option won't appear. If you can't find Account, use the top left avatar, then Settings. Stay patient and prepare to authenticate with the number. Now take action. Tap the phone entry and choose Unbind or Remove. Pubg will send an SMS code to confirm your ownership. Enter that code exactly and then confirm the unbind. If the Unbind button is grayed out, don't panic. Open Customer Service inside Settings, describe that you want to unlink your number, and attach a screenshot of your account page. Once the code is accepted, Pubg updates the account and removes the number. But make sure you receive the success message before closing the game. Finish by signing out and signing back in to confirm the phone is no longer listed. If the unbind fails, open Customer Service again, submit a ticket with screenshots, your player ID, and the verification attempts. Request a manual unlink. Make sure to keep the ticket ID and any reply screenshots. If you still see the phone after 24 hours, follow up and reference the original ticket. One tip: clear the game cache or reinstall if the interface still displays the old binding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.